Good morning, children. So today we will do exercise 15C, where we will learn how to construct triangles under different conditions. First condition, when all the three sides of the triangle are given, then how do we construct the triangle? I have taken first part of question number 1, where three sides AB, BC and CA are given. So how to construct the triangle? First step is draw any side as the base. So AB is 6 centimeter. I am going to draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. You will place the point at here at 0 and then here at 6. Now I am going to draw a line of 6 centimeter and I will name it as AB. AB is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now next step. BC is 4 centimeter. So I will take the compass and open it till the measure is 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is my 4 centimeter. And what is the length of the side? BC. So I know the vertex B. I will place the tip of the compass here and mark an arc here. Okay. Make it a bigger one so that the other arc intersects it. Now the next is CA is 5.5. So now I am going to open the compass to the length of 5.5. Okay. Now this is CA. A point is known to me. So I will keep the tip of the compass here at point A and cut the previous arc which I have marked. This will be my missing point. AB is known to me. So my missing point is C. Now this intersection point of arcs is named as C. Now the next step is join C to B and to A. This will complete the triangle. Now you can measure the length of AC and BC also. This will be 4 centimeter. And this will be 5.5 centimeter. Okay. So what we have done, we have drawn one side as base and from the other two vertices, I have drawn the respective arcs from those vertices where the arcs intersect. That is the third vertex of the triangle. Then I have joined it. Okay. So this is my first question, first part. Now I am taking second question, first part. AB and BC are given. AB is 7 centimeter. BC is 5 centimeter. And one angle is given this time. Angle ABC is 60 degree. Okay. Now this time two sides are given and one angle is given. So how to construct the triangle? I will draw one side as the base. Here again AB is 7. So I am going to draw AB 7 centimeter. Okay. So this is my AB 7 centimeter. Now here I am having angle ABC as 60 degree. First I will draw the angle. Angle ABC 60. AB. You should look for the middle point. What is the middle point? B. So where is my B? My B is here. So I will construct the angle here. Now how to construct the angle of 60 degree with the compass? You will open the compass at any length of your choice. Okay, I have opened it this much. Now I will place the tip of the compass here at point B because my angle will be formed at point B. Okay, I have opened compass of any length and marked an arc which intersects AB at one point. Now where this arc intersects AB, at that point I will place the tip of the compass and mark another arc of the same length. Okay, I have not touched the compass. I have kept the length as it is. So on placing the tip of the compass here, I mark another arc. Now I will join it. Always use two pencils, one in the compass and other for your free drawing the lines. So this is my angle. I have extended it. I am marking an arrow here. Arrow indicates that I can extend it to my choice. Now my next side, which I have not drawn yet, is BC 5 centimeter. So now I am going to open the compass of the length 5 centimeter. Okay. Now BC is 5, so I will place the tip of the compass here at point B and mark an arc. This point is point C. Now next step is join AC. Okay. So this is my triangle ABC. BC is 5 centimeter and this angle is 60 degree. Okay. So we have done two types of constructions. First where where three sides are given. Second case where two sides and one angle is given. Now I am taking third question, first part. This time one side is given and two angles are given. PQ is 6 centimeter, angle Q 60 and angle P 45. Okay, one side, two angles are given. So the side which is given to us, that I will draw as the base. It is of 6 centimeter. Okay. This is 6 centimeter. This is my PQ. Okay. Now at point P, I want the angle of 45 degree. Let us see how do we draw the angle of 45. For drawing the angle of 45, first I have to draw angle of 90 degree because 45 is half of 90. Again, I have opened the compass of any length and I will keep this tip at point P and mark an arrow, mark an arc which intersects my base at one point. And this is semicircular arc. I am drawing a semicircular arc. Okay. Now I will place the tip of the compass here and mark one arc here. Same length. I have not touched the compass. Then again at this point, I will again put an arc. From here up, I will put an arc. And from here again, I will cut this arc. Okay. When I join this point of intersection of arc with this point P, this will give me angle of 90 degree. And I am drawing it with broken lines so that it shows that this is not the angle which I require. I require the angle of 45 degree. Now to draw the angle of 45, I will place the tip of the compass here, जो हमारा PQ पे पहले intersection point है वहाँ रखा है, and I have taken the compass of the same length. I will place one arc here. Then I will place the tip of the compass here at this point of intersection and cut this arc. This will be my angle of 45 degree. Okay. Now at Q, I have to construct angle of 60 degree. 60 degree as you have seen before also. One arc like this and other like this. Now the point at where these two angles intersect each other, that will be your third point of the triangle PQ, and this one will R. Okay. So this is triangle PQR. Third condition, when one side and two angles are given. Now next, fourth question, first part. Isosceles triangle we have to draw. Base is given BC 4 centimeter and base angle is of 30 degree. Beta, just we have done exercise 15b and we know that in an isosceles triangle base angles are equal. So first I will draw the base BC 4 centimeter. Okay, this is my BC, 4 centimeter. Now I have to draw base angles 30 degrees. Beta, these B and C point, the angles which are made at these point will be my base angles, and we know that base angles are equal, so both angles will be of 30 degree. Okay, first I am drawing the angle at point C. 30 का एंगल ड्रॉ करने के लिए पहले हम 60 का करेंगे. ये हमारा 60 का एंगल है और फिर हम इसे बाइसेक्ट करेंगे. बाइसेक्ट करने के लिए यहां पे रख के एक आर्क इधर और फिर यहां रख के इस आर्क को कट करना है. ओके, this will be your angle of 30 degree. Similarly, we will construct an angle of 30 here also at point B, because both my base angles will be here. BC is my base, so base angles will be here only. So this is 60 degree. Now to construct the half of 60, one here and one from here. जहां पे आपकी आर्क्स कट रही हैं, ध्यान से देखना है, वहीं से मैं आर्क्स ड्रॉ कर रही हूं. अब इनको ज्वाइन करते हुए आई विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन. थोड़ा सा लाइन ड्रॉ करते समय स्केल को पीछे रखेंगे ताकि आपकी लाइन जो है वो पॉइंट से पास होके निकले. एंड दिस विल बी योर पॉइंट ए. ओके, बोथ दीज एंगल्स विल बी ऑफ 30 डिग्री. Okay, now this is the case of isosceles triangle. Now I am moving on to the next type. For that I am taking question number 5, first part. Here I have to draw an isosceles triangle where two sides are given, AB and AC. Both are of 6.5 centimeter. And one angle is given, angle A, 60 degree. Okay, so let us take one side as the base. AB I am taking as base, 6.5 centimeter. So this is 6.5 centimeter. Let me name it as AB. Now at point A I want angle of 60 degree. So at point A I will ड्रॉ एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. बेटा 60 का तो अब तक आपको आइडिया लग चुका होगा कैसे ड्रॉ करना है. इन आई थिंक एवरी क्वेश्चन वी हैव ड्रॉन द एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. एक आर्क ऐसे लगाई और फिर जहां पे ये आर्क ने कट किया था लाइन को, एक आर्क वहां से लगाई. So this is my angle of 60. यहां पे मैं एरो लगा रही हूं. AC है 6.5. अब मैंने कंपास को खोलना है कितना, 6.5. खोला हमने इसे, A पे रखा और कट किया. जहां पर ये इस एंगल को कट करेगा, that will be your point C. Now join B and C. This is your required triangle. Okay. Now the last question which I am taking is question number 6, first part. You have to practice up to question number 6 only. Here I have to draw an equilateral triangle. You know, in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. AB is 5 centimeter. Okay. So 5 centimeter. This is AB. Because this is equilateral triangle, so all the sides will be of 5 centimeter. So the remaining two sides will also be of 5 centimeter. For that I am opening the compass of the length 5 centimeter, marking an arc from point B and other from point A. Where these arcs intersect each other, that is my point C. Now join A to C and B to C. This gives your equilateral triangle ABC. Okay. Now further something extra points are also here. draw perpendicular bisectors of BC and AC. Now it is asked to draw perpendicular bisectors of BC and AC. Now see, how do we construct the perpendicular bisector? If I want to construct the perpendicular bisector of BC, I will place the tip of the compass here at B and open the compass more than half of the length of BC. Then I will place one arc here and one arc at the other side of BC with the same length, but this time from vertex C I will mark two more arcs which intersects the previous arcs. So this is my perpendicular bisector which I will get after joining these points of intersection of the arcs. This is perpendicular bisector of BC. Similarly, we have to construct the perpendicular bisector of AC also. More than half. One arc here, other arc here. Now from point C, intersect the previous arcs. Okay. So, join the points of intersection of the arcs with each other. Okay, so these two are the perpendicular bisectors of AC and BC. Where these perpendicular bisectors intersect each other, we have to name this point as P. Now the next step is we have to measure PA, PB and PC. Beta, let me tell you one thing. The point where the perpendicular bisectors intersect each other, that point is equidistant from all the three vertices. So this distance PA, PB and PC should come same. Let me measure PA first. It's approximately 3 centimeter. Not exact, approximate, around 2.8 I think. Then next, this is also the same. And this is also same. So PA, PB and PC all are of 3 centimeter approx. Whatever is the length, it should be same in all the cases. Okay. So this beta I have taken each question, for each part from every question that is in your syllabus up to question number 6. So practice the remaining part at home. Okay. Goodbye for today.